Another state championship for you in just your sophomore year. What does that mean to you?
It means a lot. I like it a lot, and I love the course, and I want to try to be 4-time.
Yeah. How'd you feel you played here in the final round?
Today, not as good. Yesterday, I played all right. Yeah, I was 2 under through 7, but then I just messed up a few times, but I'm all right with that. 74 is pretty good.
So how do you feel overall on the weekend you executed kind of what you wanted to?
Pretty good. I actually don't mind the scores for here. It's not an easy course. The greens were really fast, and I like it.
What do you think is the key to being a good golfer? What's kind of elevated your game?
The short game. That's where I'm always at. The green, chipping, putting. Yeah, that's the hardest part of golf. Yeah.
Did you feel any pressure coming into this year as kind of the one to beat?
I did, kind of.
So,
I was nervous.
So how did you handle that all season long?
I just tried to keep it together. I didn't worry about the bad holes. Just thought about the next shot and just kept it together.
How difficult is it to play at state when you don't see some of these girls for most of the year?
It's kind of hard. There's a lot better competition here at state.
Yeah. So does that push you to elevate your game?
It does. It pushes me to get better. Like, I'm going to keep working after state, even though state champion. But I'm going to keep working.
Seems like I watched it coming up your final hole, which was 9 for you today because you started on 10. But it seemed like you were a little frustrated with the way you finished.
I did. I doubled. I wasn't happy about it. But that was a hard chip from there. I didn't want to drop it off that ledge there. Yeah.
How would you compare this year to last year's title?
I think it was a lot harder this year. I think everyone here is better than last year. So it was a little more scary, but I worked all year, so just kept it together all day.
Where's your love for the game of golf come from? What kind of turned you on to it?
I don't know. I just love the sport, and I honestly like working hard. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was there something as a young kid that you were watching people? Is it your dad, your mom?
I played basketball until 2019 and started golf in 2020. I golfed maybe 5 times before that in my whole life.
Wow.
Yep, so this is like a year and a half, almost 2 years for me.
And to be the top player in 3, that speaks volumes. I mean,
yeah.
It's kind of a difficult question to ask, but you know, are you surprised by your success?
Kinda, but I've also worked hard. I do online school, so that I can golf all the time. Yeah. Okay. So I golf about like 8 hours a day.
Yeah. How was the team a little different this year? I mean, you girls won last year. Odessa moved on, different coach. Was it different this year?
Yeah, a little. We dropped our second best, so we tried to keep together. I don't know what place we're in right now, but we were in 3rd yesterday. We were off the lead by 10, so hopefully we're up there.
Yeah. Well, go enjoy the individual title. Congratulations to you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.